Good morning, class. This video is going to serve as a lesson overview for your second unit figure drawing, where it's going to discuss the learning goals, the essential question, vocabulary, how you're going to be assessed, and the materials you're going to need for this unit. Just as a quick overview, and everything, of course, will be explained and broken down over the course of the 3 lessons in the next few weeks. All right, so your learning goals, we have a bit here. The first is to examine how gesture drawings capture the essential feeling, energy, movement, action, or pose of a subject. The second learning goal is that we also want to focus on the proportions of the figure. We want to make sure we're drawing everything the proper shape and size. 3, we want to create a series of gesture drawings, so not just one, but a group of them that capture the essential feeling, energy, movement, action, or pose of the subject. 4, we're going to create a series of gesture drawings that use figure proportions. 5, select and organize a series of gesture drawings to submit as gesture drawing portfolio. 6, examine how artists create mood or feeling within an artwork. 7, revise a gesture drawing to develop a figurative work with accurate proportions that conveys mood or feeling. And lastly, we're going to refine a figurative artwork that creates mood and feeling within the work. So it's a lot of individual steps, but we'll just be doing these one by one to get to that final product. Your essential question is, how do artists create mood or feeling within an artwork? We'll be discussing that each day with each unit. Your vocabulary words, as usual, you have 6. You have gesture drawing, figure, mood, proportion, movement, and unity. For your summative assessment, you'll be developing a gesture drawing portfolio. You'll create a figurative artwork in proportion by refining your drawings that communicates a mood or a feeling. You're graded the same through your final project, your learning log, and your entrance ticket. And lastly, your materials, all you need are sheets of paper and charcoal in order to produce this project. So that is your quick rundown, your overview for this unit. I look forward to seeing you guys in lesson 1 and starting this project off with you. All right, I will see you all soon. See you in class. Bye.